In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Google or Gmail account without a phone number. Normally, Google will ask you for a phone number for verification before you can open a Gmail account. But in this method, I'm going to show you how to do that without a phone number. Now, before we get started, kindly like the video, support the video with a like, and also subscribe to the channel so I'll catch you up in my next video. So guys, go ahead and open your Gmail application on your mobile phone, Android or iOS phone. Tap on the profile icon and select add account. So choose Google. I'm going to verify my password or fingerprint because of my device security. So here, go ahead and click on create account for my personal use. So go ahead and put in all you're going to put in. So I'm going to put text review next. So the surname is optional. Select your date. So I'm going to put 1st June 2000. Guys, don't mind me, I'm far older than that. So select your gender. If you're a male, female, or you wish rather not to say, click on next. So here you're going to have suggested email address for you. So you're going to go ahead and click on this or whichever one you need. Click on next. So put in a password here. Put in a strong password. Here, review your account. The account is text revealer. Review revealer text at gmail.com. Click on next. Scroll down. Click on agree. So guys, please support this video with a like. So after that process, tap on the profile icon at the top right here. So here you can see that the email address created has been added to your list of email, which is the text revealer. That's the last email here. Click on it to go to the email. Add email. So guys, here is our email. Here's the email right here that we just created, and we didn't use phone number. Now let me tell you the secret why we did not use phone number. When you are opening a Gmail with your Gmail application, either on Android or on iOS, you are not required to use a phone number. But if you try to open a Gmail account on your PC, on your computer, you'll be asked to use a phone number. So that's just the simple secret about it. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video.